Oh, good morning, y'all. And Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas to y'all. Okay. Yes, indeed. Woke up this morning. Oh, and I'm watching the video. Oh, look at this video here. All right. What is that? All right. That's my friend. All right. So check this out.
Just for my haters in the world, I'm busting this model off for y'all.
Let's try that again. It's just like she appeared on my show, y'all. That's Dominique. Diamond Dior. You know. I mean, I'm sad I haven't been seeing her though. Yep. So hopefully this Facebook Live will be on YouTube. It's Christmas Day. It's Christmas time. Uh huh. Yep. It's Christmas and stuff like that. About to step out on the porch, on the back porch. You know, and it's still dark out. It's still dark out, y'all. You know, twilight. Well, we not in the twilight zone, y'all. All right, so I'd like to do a Merry Christmas shout out to everybody, my aunties, my cousins, my family. I would like to do a Merry Christmas shout out to my good friend Brittany. She like a baby sister to me. Merry Christmas, Brittany. Erica, Merry Christmas to you too. I hope you're watching, previously recorded. I know you're not watching me live right now, but and if this video's on YouTube, Merry Christmas to all y'all. Merry Christmas, Tanya. Okay, if you're watching this, I'm not gonna do those dances like I did last year. Okay, I'm gonna be so busy with my gameplays. If you're watching me on YouTube, then some of you already know. Okay. Just like I showed y'all that whatchamacallit though. Okay. All right. So I mean, my Christmas is okay. Wish I would have had a Christmas to share so with somebody to share with, cause my mama been gone for like 3 years. Listen to this. Listen to her. Yep, she sing real good, y'all. For some of you that haven't watched the video though, and Credit Flow, Diamond Dior, okay, yep, So, so I'm a future YouTube star, gamer and vlogger, and TV show man and stuff, whatever you want to call it, TV editor, whatever, So, like I said, Dominoes is here to reach the top, On this very special Christmas day, I'm gonna be doing my gameplays, and next season, or sometime this season, I'm gonna be doing live streaming my gaming. Okay, if I get the microphone and the headphones, I have them headphones that are not good enough. the headphones that ain't good enough, you know. I need a headphones and microphone, you know. Okay. So anybody that's watching, Merry Christmas to y'all, you know. Merry Christmas, Erica. Merry Christmas to my best friend Shamika. Brittany, no offense, you still my best friend, okay? Who I truly love so much, you know. So the thing is, me and Shamika been good friends since 2014. Well, we became close friends in 2015. You know. Oh, good morning, Brock.
Good morning.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay. All right. I'm about to go get your present here.
Yes.
Oh. I'm about to go get your present. Okay. All right. Just come and get it. Okay. All right, about to give him his present. Okay, this what he asked for. Where is it? Here we go. I hope he take care of it, y'all. Yep. This what I have for him. Your radio.
Yes.
All right, you happy? It's a tape player with it.
Hey, carry.
All right. Well, I'm about to go get the knife. Okay, I'll be right up. I should have went got the knife when so Brock gonna do the unboxing and stuff like that. So he gonna. All right, so got the knife from for him to cause you know I wish I would have had a box cutter, you know. All right, for some of you that don't know, Brock is autistic. Okay, it's Christmas time, y'all. All right, Brock, you want to open or Brian open it? All right, he about to open it, y'all. That's not me, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. You're almost done. All right. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Got your radio. You need a radio to avoid the noise, and plus you have you have your tapes too.
Yes.
To listen to.
Yes.
All right. Looks nice, huh?
Yes.
You got a tape player, but you're not gonna worry about the CD player, you know. And you can listen to your tapes now.
Yes.
And look right there.
Hey, bones.
All right. So. Oh. I think I know how to open it. You got it?
Got it.
All right. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. All right. On this Christmas morning. Yep. Facebook Live, Dominoes 7's Facebook Live Christmas Day. Oh, wait a minute. There. I wasn't telling you wait a minute. I was telling myself wait a minute. My views, you know. All right. All right. Christmas Day 2021. Okay. Facebook Live 2021. Okay. Dominoes 7's Facebook Live 2021. Okay. Yep. I mean, I still miss my mama though. If only God would bless me with this girl Dominique, you know, it'd be a true blessing, you know. And Merry Christmas to Tom Trong, okay, Tom Trong. I miss you on Channel 4, you know. I don't know why you left Channel 4. Merry Christmas to Sally Ann Roberts, Mike Hoss, Eric Paulson, Sheba Turk, Kelsey Davis, John Snell, Meg Gatto, okay? Meg Gatto reminds me of Katie Moore, you know? Mm-hmm. She definitely reminds me of Katie Moore, you know? Mm-hmm. And Merry Christmas to Rob Krieger, okay? Warren Bell, Mark Dubison, George Ryan, back in the day. Merry Christmas to you too, Tanya. Okay, I never forgotten about you. Okay, Merry Christmas to my close friend Ro. Okay, thank you Shabika for introducing me to your best friend slash sister Ro. Okay. Merry Christmas to my auntie Sharon and my auntie Sandra and everybody. Okay, Merry Christmas to Miley Cyrus. I have to wish Miley Cyrus a Merry Christmas. She my favorite. I enjoy Miley Cyrus. And Selena Gomez and Emily Osment. Okay, I miss Hannah Montana. hmm I mean, written on the on the board that Miley Cyrus missed her 21st birthday. She was in the bathroom vomiting and stuff like that. So, uh, uh, all right, I must say, Miley Cyrus, Merry Christmas to you, okay? And to my friend Dominique Peters, Merry Christmas to you too, okay? And Dominique Henry, Merry Christmas to you too, okay? I mean, that's my true feelings about her. I mean, I really like her, hmm I wish I could have spent Christmas with her. That would have been a blessing in my book, hmm Dominique Henry, okay. Merry Christmas, Shamika, okay, best friend, and Brittany. Erica, Merry Christmas to you too. I know this your second Christmas without your best friend Erica. Speaking of her, I never had a chance to meet her. Unfortunately, I never had a chance to meet her. I think I was close to meeting her. I could have met her, but unfortunately, I never had a chance. So she would have been featured on my show. hmm Ever since Erica lost her best friend Erica, I have to I have to make her happy. Make sure she's all right. I haven't met her sons yet. I haven't met her sons yet. AJ and Zelly. Okay, so hopefully I will have a chance to meet them. Hopefully I will. So yeah. Okay. All right. So my homeboy Shalrick, if you're watching this, Merry Christmas to you too, bro. Okay. All right. So that's all I'm gonna say. All right. Yep. And Merry Christmas to Drew Carey, Bob Barker. Bob Barker, I miss you on The Price Is Right. It been since 2007 that you retired from The Price Is Right. And speaking of Bob Barker, his birthday was last Sunday, not Sunday that just passed. The Sunday before that, December the 12th. Okay, yep, he made 98. Yes, indeed, 98 years young. Okay, and in 2023, he gonna be 100. Yep. And Merry Christmas, Alex Trebek in heaven. Merry Heavenly Christmas, Mama. And to Alex Trebek. So this Alex Trebek's first Christmas in heaven, okay? So I mean, I was surprised last year to hear the news about Alex Trebek. I was very surprised. I was extremely surprised. hmm So yeah, Merry Christmas, Alex Trebek. Merry Heavenly Christmas, Alex Trebek. To my grandmother, to anybody that's in heaven right now. They better off than we are. Yep, better off than we are. All right. Merry Christmas, Rochelle. Merry Christmas to you too. My family, friends, everybody. Merry Christmas to y'all. Okay. God bless y'all. God keep y'all. All right. All right. Merry Christmas. That's all Domino Southern got to say. All right? Bye.